The Genesis GV70. For those who don't know, Genesis is the luxury brand of Hyundai, and they actually make 3 electric vehicles, the 60, the 70 and the 80. We're going to have a look at the 60 and the 70 today, so we're going to start here with the 70 and then try and pop over and have a look at the 60. So the 70 that we're looking at here has got a 77.4 kilowatt hour battery. It's got about 445 kilometres of WLTP claimed range, 360 kilowatt and 700 newton metres of torque, and it should get, on a DC 350 fast charger, 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes. So as we say, this is the luxury brand, so this, as you would expect, is a little bit up the market and up the price, but let's just have a look here at what they like to call sustainable luxury, given the materials they've used. Inside here you can see lots of controls there on the driver's seat. Quite a nice interior. You know, this is at the luxury end of the market, so it's got to be that. And then let's just jump into the seat and have a look there. Okay, so if we're sitting here in the driver's seat, we've got a digital display in front of us with the key metrics there. We would also have, if the car was fully on, another display in the middle there, a little bit smaller, and then if we started to go down on here, we've got some controls, toggles, some sticks, controls on the wheel, everything you would expect from there. The drive selectors, some other controls, there's some USB ports over there. A very, very nice interior. This is actually, I have to say, one of the better interiors I've sat in today. It really does feel that luxury end of the market straight away. So if we have a look in the back, again, that luxury continuing on through, you can already see some controls here for a passenger. And then once we're inside, pretty good leg room. This is a fair way back on the seat at the moment, so not too bad. And then, as we say, down there, some climate controls, nice easy dials, and we've also got USB charging ports. Got a beautiful, we pan up, a beautiful sunroof going all the way back. Real good headroom above me as well, so that's very good. These are really comfortable. Very, very comfortable interior. You can just see over there, there's a bit of ambient lighting inside as well. Speakers in the doors, and just really, really nice. So let's have a look at it from the back. Probably, first word that comes to mind is a little bit nondescript at the back. Nice sloping off roof there, and we should be able to see it's got at least a wiper on the back. Down the side, nice side profile of the car. So jumping on over to the GV60, still the same battery, 77.4 kilowatts. A little bit more range. This is a little bit of a lighter vehicle, 470 kilometres combined claimed range, 360 kilowatt output, 700 newton metres of torque, and again that 18-minute charge curve on the exact same platform as you would expect. Initial impressions, I actually really like the front of the 60 over the GV70s, even though this is perhaps a little bit lower down in the range. So see there on the 21s from Michelin on the tyres, and we might just go and have a look up the side profile as well while we're filming. So this is, I have to say, a beautiful interior. This all white, ventilated and heated seats, lovely looking steering wheel, and that very famous ball in the middle of the console. So let's just jump into the seat and have a look from there. So again, very similar setup of the screens here as in the GV70. Your controls down here on your steering wheel. You've got a boost button, and you can select your drive modes. You've got the regen buttons on the back. That famous drive selector that turns over into a ball, some manual controls, and some manual controls down on the dash as well, which is very good. Somebody just trying to open the boot there, so some warnings flashing about that, and very good. And again, we've got a sunroof which we'll have a look at from the back of the car. So back seat continuing that luxury, same materials used on the back seats as the front. Just a nice big cup holder there too in the side panel of the seat that caught my eye. But let's just jump in and have a look from inside. Okay, so looking through, you can see here leg room quite good. I've got a fair bit of knee room there. We talked about that beautiful sunroof that is in here. Probably not as far back as the 70s. Got some USBs, some really good storage down there with a net, and the side again. So this is very comfortable. A little bit smaller on the headroom than the 70, so I can probably feel that curve at the back here. And I'm not super tall, and really like that side vent there for passenger comfort. So very, very comfortable here. You could certainly drive a long distance in this back seat. So just have a look at that charge port that delivers that really super impressive charging. These are absolute charging beasts. And just from the rear, quite nice. I like that spoiler coming off the rear there, and just the joys of filming in public, and just that side profile